Technicians check both the capacitor and the contactor, even when only one seems faulty, because electrical systems often fail in interconnected ways that can cause a secondary component to be stressed or damaged. A capacitor stores and releases electrical energy to help motors start and run smoothly, while a contactor is an electromechanical switch that controls power to the motor, and testing both identifies hidden faults that single component checks miss. Start by isolating power and discharging capacitors safely using a rated resistor or insulated tool while wearing insulating gloves and eye protection. Then measure capacitance with a handheld meter set to microfarad range and compare readings to the capacitor label tolerance. For contactors, inspect coil resistance with a multimeter and perform a visual and mechanical check for pitted or welded contacts, tightness of terminals, and smooth plunger movement. A sluggish plunger or visible arcing indicates replacement. Also, verify system voltage and current under load, since low line voltage or a failing motor can overstrain a capacitor and cause premature failure, and measure inrush current if possible to spot hidden motor issues. Document ambient temperature and vibration conditions, because heat cycling and vibration accelerate both capacitor electrolyte breakdown and contactor contact wear, so prioritize components that are out of tolerance or show thermal damage. Finally, when replacing components, use matching or higher specification parts rated for the same temperature class and voltage. Torque all connections to manufacturer specifications, and after install, perform a run test to confirm starting amperage and stable operation. Common mistakes include assuming a single failed reading absolves related parts, which can leave a contactor that has been arced or a capacitor that has been overheated. The fix is to inspect and test both items and replace any part exhibiting out of spec values or physical damage. Another issue is failing to de-energize and discharge capacitors properly, which risks false readings and personal injury. Always isolate power. Use appropriate discharge procedures, and recheck with the meter before handling. A third problem is not verifying system conditions like voltage imbalance or motor health that cause repeat failures. Measure supply voltage and load current and address underlying causes such as loose connections, undersized wiring, or failing bearings. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project information to help decide which repairs make sense. We host a community discussion area where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences to help everyone make better decisions.